Welcome back, ladies and gents. So, as you've seen in the previous video, we did the 3D cube logo. This one, we're going to do the 2D logo, where it spins around on an axis. I can't say it. All right, leave me alone. I've said it. Just can't say it. Anyway, let's get into it. Oh, wrong side. We'll go over here, like we normally do. Bottom right. So, obviously, we're opening up OverStream. We're going to open up the console. Again, I've had it open, and I never close it. I can never close it. So there we go. Add it. This one you can add a bit of text to the bottom. So we can do styles. We can change the font. We can change the font color. Sorry, the font family. So we've got all these different ones here. So we'll just try that one. The font size and then the velocity. So 1 is the quickest. 32 is the slowest. So I generally go for around about 10 to 12, roughly. Again, content. We're going to use StreamerBot again on this one. Make sure you do check StreamerBot. Good program for your streaming, and it gives you loads of flexibility in what you can do. And we've done a video on that, so that'll be in the description as well. So don't necessarily have to press apply, but I always like to. So we're going to copy this URL. We're going to open up our OBS again. We're going to press plus. We're going to have browser source. We're just going to call this one 2D logo. Press OK, and I'm pretty sure we'll stick with the same one there. And we'll just Control V, press OK, and it is quite small. I have tried to see if we can make it bigger. For some reason, that is quite small from the start. I don't know if they're going to update that in the future. It'd be nice if they did. Oh wait, apply, and there you go. StreamerBot, straight in there. Spins on an axis. On an axis. Axis. All right. Anyway, again, it's a nice simple one. Again, put it in the bottom of your stream where you like. To be fair, and you can maybe even use some of the filters built in, or the plugin, sorry, in OBS to do a few extra bits towards it. But they're the nice simple ones. Again, you can hide it when you want it. Again, it'd be nice if there was hotkeys or some sort of way to trigger it. If there was hotkeys, then you could link it with StreamerBot and have it time it in and out, do a consistent thing, stuff like that. So, again, it'd be nice for a little bit. They may update it so you can do that. It'd be great if you could. Anyway, as for now, the link to the playlist will be back here for all the OverStream stuff that we've done. So, catch you in the next one. Peace out.